So yeah, I thought it'd just be fun to make willow deer, and I'm going to run through the process here. First thing we do is to strip off the leaves. Start at the bottom or the top there, and strip them on down. And then I'm going to cut up here near the top a little flat place where I can stick my fingernails into. I'm going to pinch this between my beautiful feet there, and then I'm going to stick my fingernails in and start peeling this down. Okay. And the trick here, it looks like it just splits down on it almost on its own, but there's the trick to it. And basically, when one side gets thick, you want to bend that side more, and it makes it thinner again. And so you see I got 4 fingers there, 3 or 4 fingers on each hand that are guiding it. And so kind of just steering it down the center. So it's actually going back and forth constantly, one side getting thicker. This particular willow is exceptionally long and skinny, which is really nice on material to work with here. Okay, I'm going to move this up to my knees. Okay. You can see it's almost like bug antennas down there, and what I'm going to do is just do a 90-degree bend where both are going over sideways. Okay, so we have the back leg and now the back bone. Okay, so now we're going to take, got a belly bone and a backbone. Okay, we're going to take the backbone here and kink that down to make the front leg, and then go straight back up. And every time I do one of these bends, I'm putting the bark to the outside. If you put the wood to the outside, it'll crack. Okay, so now I'm going to take that belly piece here and wrap from front to back. And you can see that this willow is brittle enough that it is cracking there. They vary a lot from willow to willow. So. Okay, and I'm just going to take and tuck this one up underneath the other. Yep. There, okay. Like that, so it's at least held in there. Okay, now I'm going to go up here to what's basically the top of the head and bend that straight down, and I'm going to come down, wrap the body, and come back up, and that holds that all in place. So now to make the head, I'm going to go over the top of the post, come out here, make a figure 4, wrap around behind the head, and go back out to the nose, and lasso the nose, and then start wrapping back. Okay, and if you have enough, you can wrap the whole head and then start wrapping down the neck, like almost like a scarf here, and just go till you run out of material, and we'll just tuck that over there.
Can you make a monkey?
And, okay, so we'll just cut that little tail out. Step-by-step instructions to create your own split willow deer are included in my book, Participating in Nature, Wilderness Survival and Primitive Living Skills. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the link below to get your copy today.